I've had textbooks for classes that were anywhere from $60 to $160, and sometimes you need more than one book for a class.
I would spend around $200 or more per textbook that I may have used a handful of times, not even throughout the whole course.
This year I actually rented my textbooks because that was the more affordable option, and I think it still cost me between $90 and $100 to do just that.
OER stands for Open Educational Resources. We're introducing more and more OER courses at Clinton because we're saving our students a lot of money. In 2 years since we started OER courses, we've been able to save students over $150,000.
OER is definitely the future. One benefit is that you don't necessarily have to read the whole book. If you just need a couple snippets of a chapter here or a chapter there, OER does a great job in helping you to be able to do that. The main benefit, obviously, of free education resources is that you're gonna save money by doing it. So, I mean, you can't go wrong there, right?